Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a review over Pretty Little Things. I ordered a few things. I've never ordered from them before. The reason why I chose to order from them is because I have a hard time finding things to wear because I am petite. Not only do I have a smaller frame, but I'm also short. I'm 5'1". So somebody told me that Pretty Little Things had smaller clothes. So here's what I think about Pretty Little Things. All right, here we go. Okay. How am I looking, Leezy? Good. Okay. You can see everything? All right, so my thoughts about this one. This is a nice little classy black dress. You can dress it up or dress it down. I'm dressing it up in this video. Let me step back so you can see my shoes. Can you see them? Yes. So I thought this was cute, you know. Being a petite woman, I like a lot of my dresses to fit. And so I could tell on the website that this was hugging the girl, but I liked that it was kind of poofy in here. Now I will say I did not expect for it to be this material. Don't ask me why I didn't read what the material was, but this is kind of like, I thought it was gonna be like a matte jersey, but it's more of like a stretchy cotton. But I will say it's very forgiving on me. It does look good. The arm is just perfect, like the right length. It's not too fluffy. I don't know, for some reason I thought it was going to be sheer in the front, but it's not, but it doesn't matter because I still think it looks good. And this is a nice classy dinner date or black tie event. I put on the rhinestone earrings, little bracelet, little purse, just a little sparkly black purse. All right, so this one, just another little classy dress. You can wear it to a black tie event, or maybe not black tie. Is black tie just for all black? You know the answer to that, Lisa? No, yeah. I knew you wouldn't. No, but just a nice little dressy, classy dinner. You could wear it to work. You could put on a little blazer or cardigan or sweater to match with it. I liked it because I knew that it was something that could be worn to work. I like rouging because for people that like, I have shape, I'm shapely, but I don't have like, I'm not super shapely. So to me, the rouging always helps give you a little bit more sometimes. I also knew that it would fit me because of the material. I could tell online. So I like it. It's not my favorite though. All right, this one I really like because it fits me really good. It was very hard to get into like all the other dresses, but it wasn't the worst. It's kind of like a matte jersey fabric. The arms are kind of see-through sheer. It's really, actually it's sheer all over. It has a little bit of stretch to it. I thought it looked cute with the thigh highs. Just make me feel like you talking to me. So I was thinking the shades is cute with it. Do a little gold accessories. Whenever I wear leopard, I like to do gold, straight, simple. Just depends. I like it. I know I haven't been rating them, but I give this one probably a 10. What'd you say, Lizzie?
A 10.
I like it though. Like, you checking for me? Anyway. All right, so this one I thought was cute. I switched up my shades, a little bit more cat eye. As you can see, it's very low chested. I am not a full breasted lady. I have not gotten comfortable without wearing a bra, so I want to try it on with the bra as well. So I like it with the bra. I feel like I could get away with it because it's a black bra and I got on the black boots. Another girl on the town. I'm not angry that the bra is showing. I'm just naturally comfortable with the bra. I saw everybody, the woman on the website, she didn't have a bra on. Looked good on her. Not saying that it looked bad on me that way, but it's just, I just have to grow to that point. First of all, it's poofy at the breast, so I kind of felt like if I bend down, like you could see my chest, and I didn't want to expose anybody, so yeah. But this was the easiest dress to get into, of course, because you see it's stretchy in the hip area and then it flares out in the back. All of this is loose. Like I said, all of their dresses were pretty hard for me to get into, but this one is not. So this one is my favorite one. I would give it a 10. No, I can't give it a 10 because there's an issue, there's a defect I gotta explain. I love how it fit. I just feel like I got the eye for stuff that people look at online and be like, that ain't that cute. But I knew that this would be cute on me. I knew it would be cute on me. This is the problem. We cannot zip it up. With the way the fabric is made, it's not stretchy at all. We pull it together in the back, and as you can see, the zippers, it does touch. Well, I can't reach the part that touch. It touches up here, but this one part around the waist, it cannot get past that point for nothing. So the dress came with a ribbon that said if you remove this ribbon, you cannot return this item. And so I cut it off anyway because they had it going from inside of the sleeve through this part. So I'm like, well, how am I zipping it up and the ribbon's in the way and then it's stuck to the arm? So I went back to have it. So I went on and cut it off. And it turns out, even though, you see it fits me, you see it's loose in here. That's why I would be afraid. This is actually a 0 extra small. I would be afraid to order a small because it's already doing this right here. The arms they fit, but they are a little snug. Kind of feel like I'm a cheeseburger away. So unfortunate. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna see if there's a seamstress because I love the dress so much. I'm gonna see if there's a seamstress that can add some fabric at the small part of my back. I don't know what it is because it can zip, because if both zippers can touch, that means it can zip, but it cannot get past this point. You all see I got on my clear sandals. I'm faking it. So cute. Nice professional dress. You could wear it to work. Like, this is something I would wear on the air, definitely. It's even giving me Easter vibes. You know, if we wasn't quarantined, I would probably wear this, would have wore this for Easter if I could zip the dress up. So I'm very annoyed. I'm annoyed, for one, that the ribbon said don't cut it off or you can't return the dress. I'm gonna have to return it because I can't zip it up. But if I can find a seamstress that can add fabric and make it work for me, we in there like swimwear. You will see me doing all types of photo shoots in this dress, even though between me and you, we all know what's going on in the back. All right, y'all, so this is just something I just threw together really quick. So what happened was I ordered the top and forgot to order the bottom. You know how the website's set up to where they got the 2 pieces, but every site don't have them to where they come together, so then you gotta go look for the bottoms. When it comes, it's gonna be like a two-piece like jogger. It's gonna be like stretch pants that tie at the waist. But until then, I just put it on with cute little blue jeans, a little Gucci belt. You even grab a Louis purse, just be like, oh, they talking to me? No, really, no, you couldn't have been. Me? Oh, no. But yeah, excuse me too, because I'm not as pulled in as I normally would be because I ate and I'm still bloated. And it was good too, so I'm not ashamed. Do you wanna be my husband? Yeah, forget about boyfriend. I need a husband. How about that? Who, me? Oh. So this is just a regular going shopping with my girls. I would go on a dinner date in this. Like, it's really, because I dress down on dates. Sometimes you want to be cute. If you really like the guy, you want to be cute. If he's just someone, he cool, you throw on your jeans and your top, you're just trying to figure out what it is. But throw your shades on. Cat shape, I like these. Your little belt, your gold accessories, and voila. Okay, so my favorite look, I would have to say, is the leopard because it fit properly. I really love the thigh-high boots with it. By the way, those boots came from Steve Madden. Got them on sale. I love the accessories, the shades. Like, it was just a look for me. The biggest problem that I have with Pretty Little Thing is that it was a hard time getting into all of the outfits except for one. And I'm a pretty petite person. I'm 5'1". I normally wear zeros, sometimes double zeros. But what I do like about Pretty Little Thing is that it's catered to women of all sizes. Petite women, plus size, everything. So I do like that about them. I have a very hard time finding clothes to fit me, and it looks like I might have luck in the future. Like I said, again, this is a brand that's in the UK, and I think that they make their clothes a lot smaller. Will I give them a second try? I'm gonna say yes, but until then, let me know your thoughts. Which one did you like the best? Which one would you wear? And let me know what other videos you would like to see me do in the future. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time.